So we've been asked to describe all transformations to get from f to g, then to find the constants a, b, and c. So the first thing I've done is highlighted the origin for f of x, and now I'm going to highlight the new origin for g of x. You'll see that we went 1, 2, 3 to the right and 2 down. So I'm going to describe those. 3 right, 2 down. Well, the 2 down is easy. That would be minus 2. And the 3 right would be, if we had something like f of x, then we would need x minus 3, so that a positive 3 minus 3 would give us 0 in there. So we've got 3 right and 2 down. The next thing we're going to look at is the vertical stretch, if there is one. So this y-coordinate is 1, and this y-coordinate is 2. Now we're going to look at the new y-coordinates. When we go over 1, this time we go down 2. I'm going to put a negative 2. And this one we have a negative 4. So when I think about this 1 becoming negative 2, 1 times a negative 2 would give me that negative 2. And when I think 2, what would I have to multiply 2 by to get this new negative 4? Well, that would also have to be a negative 2. So that means I am stretching vertically by a factor of negative 2. So now when we think what we have, that means a is negative 2. F of, we said x minus 3 moved us to the right 3, minus 2. So that means c is negative 2. It means b is a positive 3 because it was written that we want x minus. And then a is negative 2. A equals negative 2. B equals 3. C equals negative 2.